Hello everyone, today we're going to compare Boost Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile, two popular prepaid mobile carriers. So Boost Mobile offers a range of affordable prepaid plans with competitive data options and coverage on the T-Mobile and Sprint networks, catering to budget-conscious consumers, while Metro by T-Mobile provides prepaid plans with extensive data options featuring T-Mobile networks of reliable coverage and additional benefits like HD video streaming and mobile hotspot usage. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Boost Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile, you can use our affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's go directly to the features comparison. So let's talk about network. So Boost Mobile, as I said earlier, it also uses T-Mobile's network. Same thing with Metro. While when we talk about data speed, so Boost Mobile offers 4G LTE, and they have also 5G available in selected areas. Same thing with Metro by T-Mobile. Of course, they also use the coverage of T-Mobile's network, but they have 5G widely available. When we talk about hotspot data, so Boost Mobile, they have available on some plans. Same thing with by Metro T-Mobile, and I will discuss it later. When we talk about mobile apps, so Boost Mobile, they have a Boost Mobile app for account management. And same thing with Metro, they have Metro Smart Hotspot app. And also they have T-Mobile app for account management. When we talk about the device compatibility, so Boost Mobile works with variety of device. Same thing with Metro by T-Mobile because same thing they use the T-Mobile platform. And lastly, for international calling, so Boost Mobile they have it for additional charges, and same thing with Metro. So some international calling included in the plans. So yes, that's it for the simple comparison. So now let's go directly to the pricing comparison. So when we talk about the starting plan, so Boost Mobile starting plan can be starting from $20 to $50 per month, and you will get unlimited data up to 30 to 40 gig of premium data. Unlimited data plus 30 to 40 gig of premium data. And when we talk about Metro by T-Mobile, they have a what they called a Flex Start plan, which is $50 per month, and you will have unlimited data plus 8 gig of hotspot data and 100 gig of Google One subscription. When we talk about the premium data plan, so Boost Mobile have it for $60 per month, and you will have unlimited data plus 60 gig premium data, which is quite big. And for Metro by T-Mobile, so they have a subscription called Flex Up and Flex Plus, which is $60 to $70 per month. And you will get unlimited data plus 25 gig of hotspot data. And also, if you purchase Flex Plus, you will get also an access to Prime Video and gaming. So you can watch everywhere you want. So when we talk about family plans, so Boost Mobile, all plans from starting from the $20 per month plan to $60 per month, all of that plans is can be purchased by a group or family. So all plans is included. While Metro by T-Mobile, so far there's no family plans in their subscription setup, so you can purchase with your family. So last thing for additional fees, Boost Mobile activation fee may apply. Same thing with Metro by T-Mobile. So yes, that's it for the simple pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to performance. So when we talk about the aspect of speed and responsiveness, Boost Mobile have a good speed and it varies by location, and Metro by T-Mobile have excellent speed and responsiveness. When we talk about coverage, so Boost Mobile, they have a solid nationwide coverage, while Metro by T-Mobile, they have an excellent coverage, especially in urban areas. When we talk about data handling capacity, so Boost Mobile, they are adequate for most users, and Metro by T-Mobile, they have high capacity and suitable for high data usage. Lastly, for network reliability, Boost Mobile is very reliable but can be affected by T-Mobile's network issues. And same thing with Metro by T-Mobile. Highly reliability, reliability and supported by T-Mobile's infrastructures. So yes, that's it for the Boost Mobile versus Metro performance. So now let's go directly to customer support. For support channels, so Boost Mobile have phone, chat, and email support. Same thing with Metro by T-Mobile, but also they have in-store support. So when we talk about in-store support, so as I said, Boost Mobile, they have limited in-store location, while Metro by T-Mobile, they have very extensive in-store location. When we talk about customer service, Boost Mobile is generally good and it varies by location, and Metro by T-Mobile is known for robust customer service. And lastly, for online support, Boost Mobile have fax and online support available, while Metro by T-Mobile have comprehensive online support through forums. So yes, that's it for the customer and support comparison. So now we're done with the features, performance, pricing, customer and support comparison. So now let's go directly to pros and cons. So when we talk about Boost Mobile pros and cons, for pros, Boost Mobile have competitive pricing with good value for basic plans. Also, they use T-Mobile's networks, providing decent coverage and data speed. And lastly, they have affordable unlimited data option, which is $20 per month. So that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, Boost Mobile have fewer in-store location for customer support. They have limited international gaming options. And lastly, they have their customer service quality can vary depending on location. So that's it for the Boost Mobile pros and cons. So now let's go directly to Metro pros and cons. So pros, Metro by T-Mobile have excellent network coverage and reliability, particularly in urban areas. They have a strong customer service with extensive in-store support, and some plans include international calling features. And when we talk about the cons, Metro by T-Mobile is slightly higher prices for starting plan compared to Boost Mobile, as you can see on the pricing. And the activation fees may apply, and also they have limited options for low data plans compared to Boost Mobile. So that's it for the cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Boost Mobile. So Boost Mobile is referable for someone who wants a budget-friendly options with good basic coverage, someone who does not require extensive international features, someone who is comfortable with minimal in-store support, someone who seeks a straightforward and no frills mobile plan. So if you have all of this quality right here, Boost Mobile is the choice for you. So for the people who should choose Metro, so Metro by T-Mobile is preferable for someone who values excellent coverage and reliability, especially in urban areas, someone who needs robust customer service and extensive in-store support, and someone interested in international calling features included in some plans. And lastly, someone who's willing to pay a bit more for additional features and higher reliability. So if you have all of this quality right here, Metro is the choice for you. And yes, that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms offers a compelling options for different needs. Boost Mobile provides a cost-effective solution with solid coverage and data speed, ideal for those looking to save money, while Metro by T-Mobile offers superior coverage, customer service, and additional features like international calling, making it a great choice for users who need more from their mobile service. So if this comparison helped you decide which provider is right for you, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insights on mobile carriers and technology. Also, let us know in the comments which carrier you're choosing and what factors influence your decision. So with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you to choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.